Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So as I'm working my way through testing out the Hero 11 Black, getting ready for my review and making some tutorials, one question that I have been asked is about the Max Lens Mod and is it compatible? And the simple answer is yes, it is fully compatible with the Hero 11 Black. The Max Lens Mod here was launched alongside the Hero 9 Black, and when they released the Hero 10 Black last fall, we did have the promise that it would be compatible. However, it wasn't compatible upon release date. If you recall, on the Hero 10 Black, if you tried to enable the Max Lens Mod, we just got a message that we had to wait for a firmware update. And I think it was around November we did get a firmware update that did allow for compatibility of the Max Lens Mod with the Hero 10 Black, and then the official firmware was released in December. Well, the good news is we don't have to wait. It is completely compatible with the Hero 11 Black right on day one. I'll just do a quick demonstration here for you. We'll just go ahead and we'll install the Max Lens Mod. You can see if we bring up the settings, we have the Max Lens Mod enabled and everything is working properly. The other question I've had is whether we can now record in 4K with the Max Lens Mod on, and the answer is no. Unfortunately, it's still max resolution of 2.7K. And as for aspect ratios, we still get the same 4:3 and 16:9. Max resolution is 60 frames per second. As for stabilization, when using the Max Lens Mod, there's nothing really new there. Of course, we can turn on our horizon leveling, but we don't get to make use of that new auto boost mode. Basically, that's where the camera, the crop will adjust depending on how much stabilization is required. Unfortunately, that's not available when using the Max Lens Mod. Now, if you're new to GoPro and you're not quite sure what the Max Lens Mod is and what it's used for, basically when it's attached, it just gives you a much wider field of view. On top of that, in past GoPros, it did allow for 360-degree horizon leveling. Now, of course, with the new GoPro Hero 11 Black, we can do horizon leveling without the Max Lens Mod by using the linear plus horizon lock. The only thing is it's going to be a very narrow field of view. So if you want that horizon lock, but you still want maximum field of view, then something like the Max Lens Mod is a good choice. It's not for everybody. It does come with some caveats. For example, we can only record to a maximum resolution of 2.7K. Not all other options and filming modes are available, but it is definitely a great accessory in some situations. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. The Max Lens Mod is completely compatible with the Hero 11 Black. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.